let's have a look at the main part of the lesson. So here we have some pairs of socks. Now remember, when we're looking at these, we're looking at how many groups there are and how many are in each group. So if we look at these socks, that's one group, two groups, three groups. There are three equal groups of two. Now we've got two pairs of socks there, a pair of socks there, two socks there, and two socks there. Now, three equal groups of two, we know that's right because we've got three twos. Two are two are two. If we count, I'll skip counting in twos. 2, 4, 6. So our answer is 6. Okay. The next question we're looking at is we're looking at a tricycle. Now, it's unclear on this picture that how many wheels a tricycle has. But if we look at the word tri, if something has tri in front of it, it means 3. Okay, so we know that there are 3 wheels on each tricycle. How many tricycles are there? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 tricycles. If we look at a tricycle as a group, because that's how many wheels it got in, so 1 group, 2 group, 3 group, 4 groups. How many are in each group? How many wheels does a tricycle have? 3. So if we were doing addition of these equal groups, this is 1 group, so that's 3. This group's a 3. This group is a 3. This group is a 3. And we can do that by skip counting in 3s. 3, 6, 9, 12. The next question we are looking at some hands. How many fingers are in each hand? We should know that each hand has 5 fingers, or 4 fingers in the thumb, but we'll say it's 5. Okay. 1 hand is 1 group, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4 equal groups, and there are 5 in each group because we're looking at 5 fingers and thumbs. Okay. If we were looking at this using a number square, we'd start at 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 15. Add another 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 20. So 5, 10, 15, 20. Now you've had a look at this video, can you have a go at question 1 and 2 on the worksheet?